All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Oghene Oghene for you.
This thing actually too tough. When they bring them down, then when you apply for this work, good. You feel point the person when do interview did this place. Good. The MC they say at the place is I come. Yes. Because I don't apply to Wazobia before. Yeah. I know so I know collect me because not because I not reach the qualification. Now one nonsense one I write for the last requirement. 2-1 I did by mistake. Yes, graduate 2-1. Still study course when they related. I can't go right under. Only residents in VI and its environs should apply. So when they stay, we do not be human being. We can't come and you understand. Now, and it's annoying what you guys do. So I don't know how share this one at the video audience. Because you when they interview people, I bring the CV con now. Because I won't really know what they wrong. You understand? When I also reach the joke, I get like 7 jokes for the rest people to like, because you not deserve laughter. So the remaining people here, I get like 7 jokes, you understand? You guys will laugh at any one of your choice. You understand? Not this. If you laugh for the 7, come on, it's not necessary. Just pick one and you are good to go. So, Chime, just pass them back till you meet the HR manager when they back. Yes. You went carry bunny bush for head, you go calm down. No? I don't really get that. Organo is me play. Now you pay my CV, go put for dustbin. No worry, my grandmama don't enter picking body. I know that's the problem. Yeah, so the name there is Oghene Oghene. But the issue is in my family, we're 5. Now my name is short pass. Yes. For normally, what happen nation, I say for data, mama they use, you go summarize what happen within the 9 months as name for the Peking. That's what happened in Delta State. No, so that one are the one that when it contain the paper. You get now even for banks, that's what they do. In my ATM card, when they write on here, they turn on the other side. Please. You see my account number for the CV. Please, it's there. Yeah, because no, there's an account number there, sir. Because at this rate, I'll not be small picking for unemployment again. You understand now? I get experience for unemployment. Yeah, so when you want call me for the interview, you pay my transport. You understand now? Yeah. Another thing you need to see. So even because of that one I write the last time, say only residents in Ikoyi and its environs, VI and its environs should apply. Now don't change the address for that CV to environs. You understand? Anytime I'm applying to any, yes, my address now is environs. Anywhere the company day, I just stay near you now. I don't want nonsense again. Please. So please, wait, how they take make you shout? You go, I go explain now. Yeah, wait till the first one.
First one from back or from front?
No, from front.
Professional.
No, core skill. Let's go to core skill.
Core skill now.
One.
Skill.
Yes, that's if they fight for this company well. You understand? That one when funny bone do for plane, they learn. If you see me while they separate, funny bone they separate fight, they calling one person name. Video, no, not 2 people fight. Me, I go call the 2 name equal to equal. You get. Wait till the next one.
Detection skill.
Yes, you be HR. If you want to know what the other people they talk for your back, call me. You see, they miss out. You are missing out on these things. You get, I don't know why you guys they call me say, when I see the notice for IG, they sent me a mail say, Wazobia. I said these people don't deserve laughter. Because which one I don't do me, you are not going to suppose really make una laugh. You understand? So that civil will be with you now. Let me, because of the recording when they carry me call, I will get back to that. Yes. So,
Spy.
We'll talk down for back. They only talk spy for back. Okay. Yes. So now back to the 7 jokes. Yes, please. So remember, please, not be everything will make on a laugh. Choose the one. You get now. I don't have time for all these things. Yeah, so the one when make you laugh fine. You can be laughing and your neighbor is not laughing. Everybody problem different. You understand now? So I cannot come and create joke that will make everybody laugh. Some people not meet KPI, some meet. How will those people laugh to the same joke? It doesn't make sense. Yes. Joke number 1. Now let me not be gonna put when go school. All right. The truth now say the topics when they give us. I think maybe next time I'm gonna give different topics. It was roast of the year. So most of my colleagues don't talk some of the topics. So I'm just looking, okay, the ones when they never talk. Like the UBA building when born for I think Marina. Yeah. When that thing happened, I thought to myself, say, why good things or good things go to happen to bad people? Why bad things sometimes go to happen to good people? I didn't understand why. Because my friend been they work for that building, Leodek. And unfortunately, among the people when die, Leodek no dey among them. Yeah, I'm serious. Now I mean, because why bad things could they go happen to good people and vice versa? Because this guy, now my friend, no, but this guy they owe me 250K since last year. When I give him make he add pay rent, he don't renew rent this year. Never see pay me when born last year. So they made me wonder. Say so death, karma enter the fire that day. See all those innocent staffs. Can't see Leo deck. He can't ignore Leo deck. They go kill innocent people. Somebody they say so if Leo deck die, I want to pay your money. Now when he die alive, he don't pay. And if he died, the wages of sin is death. We clear that. Yeah. I notice say this mommy here not laugh. No worry, mommy, I'll crack a church joke next. Yeah, you be like, you're like, I don't like what they are saying with all this. Mommy, do you know Theophilus? It's one of these chant worship. Is a new style of worship. Chant worship. If you listen to that guy, sometimes that guy know they know say Christianity get levels. Some of us are still baby in Christ. We never grow. The day when they invite and come my church, he come they sing one of the popular songs, I've been offered to a deity. I'm like, I know they that ceremony. You understand? Only you. You understand? Now they really offer. I not go talk with you, I know. You understand? The guy now call sing, enter worship, because they say, but we repeat what he talk. Say, God, I'm all yours. I say, fine, God, I'm all yours. Say, God, I'm inside your inner. We say, God, I'm inside. God say, Satan, do your worst. I say, guy, calm down. Why are we gaslighting Satan? Come on now. This one be Satan, do your me. I better go. Now you need the offer. Me, I'm still here. Mommy, that's the second joke. What else do you need? I noticed the first one, you not like her. I said, okay, I do church because of you. Okay, now. Okay. Hey. I beg, that thing sounds wrong. Let's know what we're doing here, please. But this year, I actually moved from self-contained to mini flat. Now, the problem with that thing was, I thought it was progress too. You understand? But I don't stay mini flat for like 3 years now. So when I come, they move, go self-con, I've been staying in self-con for like 3 years. So when I move, go mini flat, where you work enter quick. When I employ your boy, leave me. You guys have problem. Honestly, I'm not really happy being here. I'm not. I'm just telling him I'm not. I just a resume. PTSD just a home me as I come this place. So that boy get work and I'm here. It's life. Guy. Do you know the first time I started comedy? I finished NYC, I go meet my papa, say, I want to do comedy. The man look me, say, you funny. I say, I funny now, because then at least I've done like 2 years. So I showed him some of my videos. I look now, I funny, people, they laugh. They look at. Say, now you, they make them laugh. So I say, yes. So, okay, and you want to do comedy? I say, it's okay, if that's what you want to do, sha, until you see a better job. You understand? So you see, that's why I'm bringing my CV everywhere, because I need to prove to my father that I have a job. You get now? If I tell us I come Wazobia, I say, okay, did you get the job? I say, no, na performance. Just So I was telling you guys a story that I moved from self-con to mini flat. But the problem, I say, the self-con one don dey stay for 3 years now. When I move go mini flat, I forget, say my property na self-contained property. So by the time I come move go mini flat, the property contain the room. Oh. But my parlor, the thing empty. I know say parlor empty like that, you go the echo. My parlor come be like where God in those olden days Nigerian movie they talk, my son. The echo in the room was that bad. To the extent say one day on a Saturday night, I write one joke for that parlor. Saturday night. On Monday morning, I be dey try remember the joke. The thing echo come back. It's that bad. So now I'm like, okay, fine. It bad as it bad. Even if na share, make I put. You understand? Now, background story. When I actually first come Lagos, I squat with my elder brother. That guy gets one L-shaped couch for a parlor. Personally, I hated that L-shaped couch because it looked incomplete. Like this. What did you decide? So I've been telling myself, say, when I finally get my own apartment, now U-shaped couch, I go buy. Mommy.
Daddy.
Share don't cost. Oh. Understand? Like share don't cost. When I price U-shaped couch, when they tell me the price of U-shaped couch, well, let me say, do you have an L-shape? They tell me the price of L-shaped couch. It's all about letter I. They tell me the price of letter I. I said, that must be capital letter. Do you have a smaller letter? Guy, share don't cost. Oh. See, when I hear the price of share, now that I can't know why Muslims they use math pray. Guy. And in all honesty, that my elder brother want to stay house that year. It's not like God. Now even him made me vex go rent my own house because I don't understand how I stay my elder brother house. First day, second day, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. On the 7th day, I was like, guy, I not be God. I can't rest, sir. I said, boss, since I come this your house, I just see some kind weird rashes for my body. My own elder brother say, why rashes not go show for your body? No, tell me why rashes not go show for your body. When they use sponge, one until they wash bathroom bath. And you not tell me. 6 months ago, they say they make a pastor for a church. I say, you will not still make heaven. I will at that. Anyway, why did they laugh like that? This on our MC say that first time he said address like they come from Shrine. I can't laugh because I don't know and I use 42 years old man see they do intern for Wazobia. I know na temp. I just look at just say, guy, as at this age you see be temp. Wow. It's pathetic. That guy, see now the problem I say this is not funny rich like that, but that guy won't make it pain him. I don't really know what you did to that guy. But ladies used to say that women are not appreciated well enough in the society. And I agree. But the problem, I say, even men too are not appreciated well enough. And even men no, don't say, not be today. It starts from when they born Jesus. Because Christmas will soon come. Those of you who be Christian. Oh, the Christmas carol when you don't hear for this life. All, you don't notice, say nobody don't sing Christmas carol, come mention the name of Joseph. In all day, they mention baby Jesus, they mention Mary, they mention wise men. But you see, Joseph, his name come. The day when I complain, give my pastor, they say Joseph really didn't much in the story. I said, guy, you think say easy to raise pikin when not be your own. Like, Joseph was the first person to do DNA test. And Jacob and I even fly, come show and the result. Pikin not be your own. No. But the time I say the pikin na God get them. It's sure for me say Joseph no understand. You understand? But he just accepts it. They say na God wait he get the pikin. Now, pikin when they say na God get them. When they born the pikin, all of a sudden, wise men, when don't reach the age of sugar daddies, come carry 3 expensive gifts, come give another man wife in the middle of the night. Now, to make matter worst, the woman not even turn back, say, my husband, Lord, and say, can I collect it? Mary not ask. Read your Bible, Mary just collect expensive gifts. Like if Nana like Range Rover house for Lekki, that's what wise men would have brought. Mary collect the gift, never to ask Joseph. It's sure for me that I said that night for that manger, they are 2 quarrel. No, it's sure for me. And where that Christmas carol come from? Silent nights, Lord. Nobody was talking. They were angry. Now the issue with that thing, and I say, I'm not saying that don't appreciate women, but I'm saying equally appreciate men. I grew up in a church where we say, Hail Mary, full of grace, blessed are you among women. That is good, fine. But what about Joseph? Joseph not need hailing. If we say Hail Mary, let's also turn and say, Hail Joseph, full of understanding. It's not easy to raise speaking when not be your own. Now, man, you be. My name is Oghene Oghene. Thank you very much.